Most people use Claude code completely wrong. They treat it like ChatGPT with a save button. They type in vague prompts and they spend hours just fixing the mess.
99% of people using Claude code are wasting money and don't even know it.
Techniques. Okay, guys, let's get started with Claude.md files. And this is probably the single most important thing in this entire video. So you want to make sure that you are paying attention right now. So get your notebook out, get your pen out, and pay attention right now. So I'd estimate that 99% of Claude code users don't even know that this exists. So the problem is that every time you start a new Claude code session,
Claude forgets everything. Your preferences, your style, your rules. So you're sitting there repeating yourself like a broken record. Use TypeScript, don't push to main, follow this structure. That's burning tokens and burning your time.
It forgets your coding preferences. So it kind of forgets your project architecture. It forgets your company style guide. And then basically when it forgets all of that, what do you think happens? You repeat yourself over and over.
Guys, I planned for a pretty long video packed with value, education, and real case studies, exactly the steps that we take and we teach our students to make real money. And you, my friend, haven't liked the video yet. May I ask why? Come on, give me some inspiration. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Switch on the notification bell button because this is just the beginning. We upload a new training every single day and you want to get notified by YouTube. And the only way to do that is to subscribe to our channel and make sure you ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you also help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 90 days. So go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. Let's go.
Use TypeScript. Follow the structure. Don't use console log. Use the logger utility. Always write tests. Use feature branches. Never push.
The fix? A single file called Claude.md. But that's only step 1 of 4 that'll change everything.
2. Okay, so this is going to save you so many hours and also it's going to prevent you from wasting tokens in wrong directions. Guys, and this is the planning mode. The problem that most people face is you ask Claude to build a user dashboard and Claude immediately starts coding. It makes a lot of assumptions about what you would want and then 20 minutes later Claude has built an entire dashboard.
Here's what happens to most people. You ask Claude to build a dashboard and it just starts coding. No questions, no plan. 20 minutes later, you realize it built something completely wrong. Now you're stuck in a back and forth nightmare trying to fix it.
And you only realize halfway through that it's kind of not what you wanted in the first place. Or let's just say it's not what you wanted at all. The layout is completely wrong. The data structure doesn't match your backend. And now you have a long conversation with Claude explaining what you actually wanted. This is a disaster because number 1, you wasted tokens. Number 2, you wasted your time. And number 3, Claude is now poisoned with the wrong context. You get where I'm going with this, guys?
Planning mode forces Claude to ask before it builds. And the next technique makes it even smarter.
Separate you from everyone else. So let's say that you are building a lot of front-end components. So every time you create a new component, you have to explain. You have to say stuff like, make it look modern, not like AI garbage, use good spacing, don't use blue and purple gradients, use good typography, make it professionally looking. Or maybe you're integrating Stripe into multiple projects.
Every time you build a component, make it modern, good spacing, no ugly AI gradients. Every Stripe integration, handle edge cases, separate test from production. You're repeating yourself constantly, wasting tokens and wasting time.
Every single time, set up the webhook correctly, handle all the edge cases, test payment scenarios, make sure production mode is separate from test mode.
Before we continue, quick heads up. If you're watching this and thinking, I like the idea, but I want to see how this actually works in practice, I've linked a free training below. It breaks down the exact system and workflow we use, shows how it's already structured, and explains how people use it without having to figure everything out from scratch. If that sounds useful, the link's in the description. You can check it out anytime. Now back to the video.
And the thing is, guys, you're repeating the same instructions over and over, and this just wastes tokens and also it wastes time. And the aim of this video is to make sure that you guys never waste any of that. And guys, the solution is Claude skills. So the skills are basically instruction packages that teaches Claude to be a specialist.
Claude skills are instruction packages that make Claude a specialist instantly. But there's one more technique that 3x your speed
for your use cases. And it's kind of like hiring a specialist who is always ready to help you out. And guys, now we are getting on to technique number 4, and that is our final Claude secret, and that is parallel instances. So guys, this is a time saver which works simultaneously. Most people just think that they need one Claude Code instance for the entire project, but it just doesn't work, guys.
Most people work with one Claude instance and just wait while it thinks. That's a productivity killer. The top 1% run multiple Claude instances in parallel. One on authentication, one on UI, one on database. What used to take 6 hours now takes 2.
So what happens is they start working on feature A, and then Claude is thinking about it, it's processing, and maybe taking a few minutes to write the code out. So what do? You wait. You watch the cursor blink, you're blocked. Or you finish feature A and you want to start with feature B, but now you have to close the first conversation and open up a new one. And this just breaks your context and also the workflow. The solution is multiple parallel instances. So you can run multiple Claude Codes instances simultaneously.
That's MAPS. Memory, ask first, power skills, split work. The 4 techniques that separate beginners from pros. Whether you like this video or not, really hit the like button. You know why? Because I gave you the exact training for free that our paid members get. This video is going to be in the members area for the paid members, and you got it for free. So yes, don't you think I deserve a like? Go ahead, like it, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Make sure you switch on the notification bell button, and of course, ask your friends and family to subscribe and switch on the notification bell button. It's very important for us because we have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. And the only way we can do that is when you hit the subscribe button. Go ahead, do it. And for more money techniques, watch these videos and we will see you on the next one.